Hey there. Today, we're taking those massive, headache-inducing problems and turning them into crystal clear visual solutions. So, let's get right to it. How do you actually tackle a massive task without completely freezing up? It's all about problem simplification, right? You just chop that giant monster down into bite-sized, totally manageable pieces. Like building a website. Don't panic, just break it down. Design, layout, write content, code it. Easy. Next up, solution selection. We basically weigh our options, pick the fastest route, and map out our attack plan. This brings us to algorithm design. Think of it like writing the ultimate step-by-step recipe to fix your problem. And our absolute favorite tool for this? Flowcharts. They're essentially visual blueprints that map out every single step. Flowcharts are game changers. They give us instant clarity, boost communication, speed up problem solving, and create awesome documentation. First up, clarity. They take a tangled, chaotic mess of a process and turn it into a super clean map. Plus, they're like a universal language for communication. Suddenly, everyone on your team is totally on the same page. They also turbocharge problem solving. You literally see the workflow, making it incredibly easy to spot annoying bottlenecks. Finally, their built-in documentation. This is a lifesaver for training newbies or referencing how a system actually works. Fun fact, guys, flowcharts were actually popularized way back by computing legends John von Neumann and Hermann Goldstein. Okay, let's learn the language itself. Turns out, every single shape you draw means something very, very specific. Here is your ultimate visual toolkit. Let's quickly break down exactly what each of these 5 symbols actually does. First up, the oval. We call this the terminal. It literally just marks the start or end of your process. Next, the rectangle. This is your process shape. Anytime an action or calculation is happening, you use this guy. Then we have the parallelogram for input and output. Think of someone typing data in or a screen displaying results. The diamond is super critical. It's a decision point that branches your flow based on a simple yes or no. And lastly, the arrow or flow line. It connects the whole shebang and shows you exactly which way to go. So, here's a challenge for you. Could you map out your entire morning routine using just these 5 shapes?